Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how or what to pay attention to when traveling using an airplane from check-in to boarding time. First, prepare airplane tickets that you can buy online through websites such as Traveloka, Peggy, Ticket.com, and others. You will get an ticket via email that is registered to order a ticket. Then, print and taken when leaving for the airport. And second, know the airline that you will use. And third, bring items unneeded. Separate valuables, then you can carry into the cabin. Do not carry dangerous items such as a knife, matches, and others. 4. Check in at the airline counter. Prepare ID cards and plane tickets that have been printed. You will get a boarding pass that has your seat number and departure gate on it. 5. At the check-in counter, you must prepare a bag that will be placed in the trunk of the plane. And number 6. After check-in, you can immediately enter the boarding room started by the gate. Finally, get on the plane and check your seat number again. Alright, you have to enjoy the view from the plane, and the flight attendant will serve your needs during the plane. Okay, that's all I can say in this video. Thank you for watching and see you later. Assalamualaikum.